You're retaining all the nutrients and flavors of your veggies.
Hello mga kamarka! Kung saan ang luto nyo, ang bida dito. Let's cook some foods.
Healthy cooking starts here. My name is Arnie.
My name is Mark, Kamarka Pinoy, kung saan inyong lutuin ang bida dito.
The Platinum Food Processor will help us prepare our pancit and healthy chocolate cake efficiently, making cutting and mixing a breeze. Here are the ingredients we'll be using. But first, let's clean and fresh. Washing hands in the best starts.
Welcome to a healthier way of cooking.
Fry from frozen chicken without oil and salt. Check the temperature. Alert if it reaches 60 degrees. Put the chicken in the platinum cookware. Cover it and roast.
You cook without oil or water. Even heat, perfect result. Yes, I'm going to cook a healthy chocolate cake. So why healthy? Because it has a lots of fruits and vegetables. So the ingredients, we have the cake mix.
Wow! Shredding those veggies and fruits to add some serious nutrition and flavor to your healthy chocolate cake. Since we will be skipping butter and water, cracking the egg, adding that extra protein and moisture. Your crispy fried chicken looks amazing since it's cooked without oil, done to perfection, crispy on the outside and juicy on the inside. The Platinum Food Processor makes the quick work of chopping those veggies for your pancit.
Bango naman itong naamoy ko nito.
Yes, hindi lang to sir. Actually, we also have our pancit. So, we know that Filipino loves pancit, right? But this time, our pancit is no oil and then no water.
Tama-tama yan sa akin kasi medyo meron din akong may cholesterol problem ako noon eh. So talagang mai-recommend ko ito sa mga kaibigan ko.
Yes, correct. So, pwede na natin simulan, sir. So, as you can see, so we have it already for 60. All is done. All you need to do, put the sibuyas or the onion. Right? And then, without oil, dump the chicken. So, habang nagsusupin tayo, pretendless.
Yung nakita ko ng Arnie, napaka-busy mo, ang dami mong pinipipero.
Yes. Yun yung magandahan actually sa Platinum. So, you only have one induction, okay? Kaya mong pagsabay-sabayin lahat. Kasi with Platinum, walang kanirap-hirap.
Paano kung wala akong gantong klaseng lutuan, wala akong induction, ano ba pwede kong gamitin yan?
Yan yung good news. Kahit ano pang klase ng lutuan mo, mapa-electric man yan, or even the induction, the butane that we have pag nagka-camping, everything yan, kaya niyang gawin.
Ayos, kala ko pang social lang yun eh.
Hindi naman, sir. Actually, that's the good thing about Platinum. It's a friendly environment na rin. Kasi, you can also cook even you have one cookware. Tapos mag-stop cooking ka lang. So, kung meron kang butane, isa lang yung lulutuan mo.
So, nagagawa mo siyang pagsabayin lahat, ano?
Yes. Kagaya na kung ginagawa natin, sir, ngayon, yung pansit, kakailanganin ko lang, sabay-sabay lang natin. So, wala
Mga ilang minutes yan, matatapos mo na.
sa lahat, kasi the pansit is only 7 minutes.
7 minutes.
Yes. So, 7 minutes pansit with Platinum, everything is done.
Tama-tama pala yan, pag mamadali ka, papasok ka ng trabaho. Alam mo naman dito sa Dubai, ang busy ng buhay natin.
Yes.
Di ba? Uuwi ka, pagod ka na sa trabaho, pag-gising mo, di ba? Magluluto ka pa.
So, lagay na natin itong soy sauce. And then, ang ating favorite na oyster. So, ito yung sinasabi ko, with Platinum, everything is dump.
Dump. Yan.
So,
With
dump.
Platinum, everything is dump. Tandaan niyo yan, ha?
Yes. So, ngayon, sir, nakita mo, ito na yung ating pansit. Now, it's time for our vegetable. That's the good thing, our vegetable. So, we have our repolyo or the cabbage plus the carrots. So, all you need to do, just dump
Ready na, ha?
it. Yes, using our food processor in
Yes.
just a minute.
So, yan mga kamarka, nakikita niyo itong maliit but terrible, small but terrible na machine na to. Susunod na episode, abangan niyo.
Yes, so nakita mo, sir, okay na siya. So, takpan na natin siya. Then, in just 7 minutes, may pansit na tayo.
Gutom na ako, hindi na ako maghintay niya.
Yes. So,
7 minutes po.
Yes. Ngayon, the next one that we have, ipagbe-bake kita ng cake. Pero yung cake, sir, normally sa oven. Diba?
Yes,
Tama.
yes. Oh.
But with Platinum, this cookware can also use as an oven.
Pwede pala yun, ano?
Yes. So, eto na po, yung ating cake. So, all you need to do, maybe you can mix. Kung gusto niyo po.
So, mix natin tong pancake
Yeah. So,
natin.
just mix, mix, mix.
Alam niyo mga kamarka, kakaiba tong ano, first time ko tong makita na ganitong style, no?
Tsaka lalo na po yung mga bata na hindi kumakain ng gulay. So, imagine niyo, we have all the vegetables.
Pakita natin sa mga audience. Ito po yung gulay niya, nandiyan pa, oh.
Yes.
So, let's see kung anong magic ang sinasabi ni Madam.
Yes. Tingnan natin mamaya ang mga gulay. Okay, so eto na, sir. So, mix pa natin. Okay. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, dito dapat kasi, sir, sumasayaw. Okay. So, there will be a dance. Okay? So, now, all you need to do po, okay, so eto na yung Platinum.
Tandaan, everything is Adam.
Down, down, down! Yes! So, yan yung sinasabi nila. So, hindi mo na rin siya hahaluin or whatever. So, dadump mo lang. So, if you love cake and kung diabetic ka, normally po yung sugar, di ba? But this one is full of vegetable.
So, pakita natin sa ating mga audience. So, ito po yung cake na ginawa namin na dinam. Pero may first layer po siya ng butter paper.
Paper.
Yes,
And
para
then,
hindi po
okay, so all we need to do is close. Since we're going to use the induction, eto na po. So you have to go only for level 2. Simulan muna natin siya sa 4. After that, we will lower it into number 2. Okay? So, yan na. So, you want to see our fried chicken?
Yes.
Okay. So, eto na siya, sir. Crispy fried chicken.
Ito po yung talagang highlights natin. Yung crispy fried chicken.
So, imagine niyo po, without oil, you can even cook without oil. So, oil is no problem. So, as you can see here, so, pwede mo lang siyang baliktaran, sir. So,
Pero yung mga kababayan dito sa Dubai, makaka-save pa kayo ng oil. Diba?
Actually, yung oil nito, pwede mo na siyang itapon. So, cooking without oil is possible.
Exactly. The Platinum cookware is perfect for busy individuals and mommies who wants to save time and energy in the kitchen. With its multifunctional design, you can cook multiple dishes at once, and its heat distribution ensures everything's cooked to perfection. It's a game changer for sure. That's the beauty of healthy cooking with Platinum. By cooking without oil and excess water, you're retaining all the nutrients and flavors of your veggies. Your body will thank you. Time to eat! Let's have a food tasting of our pancit and our crispy fried chicken.
Wow, we are so speechless, so yummy. If you like the video, please follow, like, and share. And comment down below.
Wow, your healthy chocolate cake looks delicious. So the Platinum food processor really helped to incorporate all the nutrition and ingredients seamlessly. Now, let's indulge in a guilt-free slice.
Happy birthday!
Hanggang sa muli, mga kamarka. Life is short. Eat good food.